Hi guys, this is Vishakha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I came up with this eye makeup look. This might look very difficult guys, but trust me, I only used 2 shades and that's it. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So for this makeup look, trust me, I'm gonna use only 2 shades. I'm using this Maybelline's the Nude palette, the Nudes palette. I'm taking this bronzy shimmery shade and I'll apply it with my finger all over my eyelids. And after that I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to use this on my crease, and for that I'm using this brush. Literally stop right here with the eyeshadow if you want, but I would take this smaller brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm again going to take this brown shade and I'm going to line my lower lash line with this. Then if you want, you can go for an eyeliner. I will go for an eyeliner. If you don't want, you can skip the eyeliner and just use your mascara and you're done. For my mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Big Shot mascara. This is my love. I really like this mascara. And to set my makeup, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible spray. So guys, this is the final result. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel because more things are coming up in the future. Keep supporting guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.